Good morning, students. Today we have to learn about condensation, dew and fog. Condensation. Condensation is a process of the phase change from gas to liquid is called condensation. The phase change from gas to liquid at any temperature. The phase change from gas to liquid at any temperature is called condensation. We observe condensation in our daily life. The atmosphere contains water vapor. Water vapor is at above 100 degrees Celsius temperature. If it touches our body, which is at 36 degrees Celsius, it loses temperature and condenses on our body. That we find sweat on our body. If we place a water bottle removed from fridge, we observe water droplets or condenses on that bottle. Why? What is the reason behind that process? The water bottle taken out from fridge is at lower temperature and the atmosphere contains water vapor which is at 100 degrees Celsius. This water vapor touches the bottle and condenses on the bottle. Thus the small water droplets appear on water bottles taken out from the fridge. In this process, the water vapor loses temperature and gives the temperature to our body or to the water bottle. So, in this process, the body gets heat and it is called a warming process. Condensation is a warming process. Dew. We observe water droplets are formed on leaves in early morning. What is the reason behind it? The atmosphere contains water vapor. In night time, this water vapor cools and loses its temperature and condenses on the leaves or trees or plants or grass. These water droplets are called dew. So the water droplets formed on leaves or plants is called dew. Fog. If the water vapor in the air condenses, cools down and condenses on air particles or dust particles in atmosphere which is called fog. We found it in early morning in winter seasons. Humidity. The water vapor present in atmosphere is called humidity. The water vapor present in atmosphere is called humidity. The phase change from liquid phase to gaseous phase at constant temperature is called boiling. If we kept some water in a beaker and heat it, note the temperature. The temperature of the water rises quickly. The temperature of the water rises till it attains 100 degrees Celsius and the water starts to boiling. And the temperature remains constant at 100 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the water changes only when the whole water converts into vapor. So, 100 degrees Celsius is boiling point of water. The phase change from liquid to gaseous is called boiling at constant pressure. It varies from one substance to another substance. Amount of energy required to convert the whole liquid into water is called latent heat of vaporization. The amount of energy required to convert the liquid to gas is called latent heat of vaporization. It is 540 calories per gram. The value of latent heat of water is 540 calories per gram. Melting. The phase change from solid to liquid at constant temperature is called melting. The phase change from solid to liquid at constant temperature is called melting. Take some ice in a beaker and place a thermometer in it. Note the temperature in the thermometer. Heat the ice. The ice starts to melt. The temperature in the thermometer increases and attains 0 degrees Celsius. So, the ice starts to melting, the temperature remains constant, it does not change. It changes only after the whole ice melts into liquid. This temperature is called melting temperature or melting point. Melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. The amount of heat required to convert the ice into liquid is called latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of fusion. The amount of heat required to convert the ice into water is called latent heat of fusion. This value is 80 calories per gram. Latent heat and fusion is 80 calories per gram. Freezing. The phase change from liquid to solid is called freezing. The phase change from liquid to solid is called freezing. So, the temperature at which the liquid starts to melt, freezing is called freezing temperature.